there's 10 inches of snow here right now. It's Tuesday, and we're off school today. Reese, no, you.
Reese, what do you have to say about the snow?
The snow is really high, and my dad's doing some
Mom,
stuff.
face the camera down.
Oh.
Look how high it is, guys. To my feet.
So what do we do in the snow?
We sled and stuff.
Sled in it, and our dad pulls us on the tractor and the fully works.
Okay, and what's he doing now?
He's pushing the snow out of the way from our neighbor.
Yep. Okay. Have a great day, everybody.
Bye.
There's Bye. She's having a blast.